Let me take you through the process of how I achieved these 6 pieces using freehand. I am happy, she's happy, and we are all happy. Okay, so the first thing I did was to fold the fabric into two, get the length of the fabric and the waist circumference. The waist circumference divided by 6 because it's 6 pieces. So divided by 6, then divided by 2 because the cloth is on fold. Then you add half-inch joining allowance. Okay, so the next thing I did was to get my waist to hip. Now, at the hip part, it's still the same thing. Hip divided by 6, then that's 6, the outcome divided by 6. Now on the new circumference, what I did was I deducted 6 inches from my hip circumference, okay, to get that new part. Okay, and the length of the new is all dependent on you. What I did was from the new line, I came up by 4 inches to have a perfect curve for my clients. At the down part, I think I used either 8 or 10 inches so that I can have that fullness. Okay, so I used that to cut one piece, then I turned it, or I used it to cut many other pieces, the other 6 pieces. Okay, then I added I added 1 inch to the side allowance, for joining allowance at the side. Okay, then here I was almost done. I had to cross check. I discovered I wasn't through, so I had to cut the last one. Okay, here I was done. I was just checking if they are actually complete. So the next thing I did was to take one piece and slit it for the center bar for zipper allowance. Okay, so and I used these pieces to cut 6 pieces for the lining as well, and we move to the sewing machine. Here is the outcome on the mannequin and when she came for her first fitting, and this is the day of our event. She is happy, I am happy. Bye.